I have here a tabletop fire pit. It comes in this nice box that keeps everything protected. Would make it great so you can give it to somebody because it comes ready to go and ready to use. So let's go ahead and open it up so we can see what all it's got inside. So inside we've got some instructions here, and on the top we've got 2 collapsible skewers. As we go down a layer here, we have the actual fire pit, and there's going to be some more accessories inside. So it does come with this lid right here that's going to be to extinguish it safely. And then it's got this tray here that makes it where you are going to put all the alcohol so that it's going to protect the base. And this base is really heavy, so it's not going to move around on you at all. And then it's got some more skewers inside this little bag. So it comes with a total of 4 of the skewers here. And then it does have a liner in here, down here at the bottom, which is where you're going to soak with the alcohol. And then you're going to put this in so that it can burn safely all the way through. So it does also have this sticky felt pad right here that you're going to want to attach to the bottom of this insulating part right here so that it's not going to scratch your table or anything else that you put it on, and to help keep it from moving around as well. So to actually use this, you're going to want to take this cotton pad right here and put it down in the bottom, soak this with alcohol. So you're going to fill this up with some alcohol so the pad's nice and wet. You don't need a ton of alcohol, you don't want it to be completely submerged. And you're going to put that down in here like this. Take this piece, and it goes this way rather than upside down. It's going to go this way, slip down in like this. Take a long igniter, go down inside, and light the alcohol, and then the flames will come up out of these 3 holes right here. So make sure before you use these telescoping skewers that you take off the red protectors at the end there. And then you can extend them out, or you can keep them short. It's nice that they can go both ways. I'm going to put some alcohol in this, light it up, and do some s'mores inside the house. Okay, so we're here at the table. We're going to get this going. So I got some rubbing alcohol here. I'm just going to pour some in to get this nice and coated. And then I can get this lit on fire. Make sure your alcohol is closed and off to the side before you light anything. Slip that in, and now we can light this up. If you need a little bit more alcohol, make sure you use the extinguisher, put out the flame, and then you can add in some more alcohol. You can take this out, or if it's hot, just leave it and just dump the alcohol through the holes. So the pad on the bottom here is going to help protect the table and the fire pit to keep anything from getting scratched or ruined. So this tabletop fire pit is super nice. It makes it really easy to roast marshmallows wherever you want. You can do it indoors, you can do it outdoors, you can take it with you. It makes it really convenient, and it burns clean alcohol, so there's no fumes, there's no smoke. So it makes it really fun to have a nice little fire pit that you can put anywhere you want. When you're done, it's really easy to put out the fire. You're just going to take this little lid and set it down on top of it, and it'll put it out that easy.